I'm Cristina, and I'm the face behind all those videos that you've been watching on this channel. Today, I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm Cristina, and I'm the owner of Misbonito Handmade Jewelry. This year has been a roller coaster of emotions, from changing my website from Wix to Shopify, which was a challenge, but it was worth it, and then creating this channel. I've been making jewelry for a long time now, and I've only been sharing tiny pieces of what I made online through Instagram and Facebook, and also TikTok. Now on this channel, you will be able to see longer videos and in detail process, step by step, of how I make my jewelry. At the beginning of the year, I was debating whether to do this channel and make tutorials or going live selling my jewelry. Guess what? I ended up doing both, and it has been amazing. In 2026, we'll continue doing so. To all of you who are part of this community, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for your support and also for your feedback. Your feedback is very important for me. So for those who are still not subscribed, I will ask you to please do so and also share this video with someone else that is interested in learning how to make jewelry. And last but not least, I wanted to do a recap of all the best moments of those videos that you just watch on this channel, but then I thought of something different that I think you might enjoy more. Why not share those not so perfect moments that are not included in the videos, those bloopers and mistakes that I always make and that are never part of what you see on this channel. Let's take a look at the best bloopers of 2025.
Let's try.
To all of you who have been part, to all of you who And what did you think? Was it fun? I certainly hope so. Again, thank you very much for being a part of this community and Happy New Year!